And now I'm joined by KMQ Coach Zita Head Academy's head coach. Coach Zita, game ya namuhla coach uyibone njani namuhla i-tournament bafana bemtilukselele nganani coach i-reflection ye-tournament ya namuhla?
First and foremost, I would like to thank the tournament coordinator, Coach Cyril, for a sterling job that he did today to make sure all the teams are accommodated. Although sisaqala sifike sathola ama-challenges kancane bekune-marathon ekuseni, but magame akhonile kuchubeka safika ekugcineni since manje sesicedzile. From the start, actually, to be honest with you, my man, Mpumalanga Junior Championship is one of the best junior tournament in Mpumalanga. And to my belief, every development team that is participating to this tournament is the best development team. Yeah, you know, as you ask, training. Yeah, since we were ready for this tournament about 3 weeks ago, in terms of preparing our boys, because if you say under 14, it's a mixture of under 13 and under 15 boys. Since under 14 is 2011, 2012, 2013. Yeah, ngiyangashaya le mixture both divisions, only making sure I select my best players to make up a best team. And I want to thank my boys. They did very well today. But I want to thank our parents because since coach lega rani academy le township, and for me to find myself ngila Mbombela is through the parents of these boys. Everything, even my affiliation to the tournament, paying the referees, depend on the parents, and then everything went well. Then when it comes to the games, yeah, first game here to win 4-1. Second game I win 5-0. Angeke mina ngilo coach, I don't look at the results or the score. I look at the team that I compete with. Yeah, Mpumalanga have talent. I'm very proud and very much happy with all the coaches labe bakhona namuhla. When I look around the fields, all the boys are doing well. It's just that in football, you know, there is this outcome of the game: win, lose, and draw, and then kubang lama situation lao. But I can't say since me qualify good last 8, I was good than any other team in my group. It was just that I was fortunate enough because our boys executed our opportunities that we have created. Then that's how you win the game.
Coach Zita, coach, coming from Nkomazi, coach, we know you have fanatics who are down there in Nkomazi, as you say, the parents of these young ones. My family KMQ, coach. What message do you have perhaps for them, and how much of a great privilege is it for KMQ to progress into the next stages of the under-14s junior championships, coach?
It's really a great feeling. I saw my boys after we finish our last game, the excitement, the celebration, and then back home we know the expectations are always high when it comes to KMQ Football Academy, and I'm very much happy at the end we achieved the results that I believe back home they are very much excited because we will play our knockout stage top 8 at Kanyamazane Stadium, and I'm proud of our boys and very much happy with our parents, and we want to thank our people back home, the supporters, those who rely behind the academy, and the donors, because I have those boys who come from disadvantaged families, and I have people who always assist me when it comes to trips. They pay for those boys. Like currently I have 4 boys whom I know when it comes to trips I had to go to my donors, and I want to thank them big time, and the boys are rewarding them because every time they perform well, and it's just a great feeling to coach. When I look at them, that happy smile to them, it means a lot to me, because since we are a township football academy, we are not this football academy where they pay monthly fees. We depend on our donors, we depend on our parents when we go out on trips. Like 3 weeks or 2 weeks back, bengise Mbalenhle with our under 13 so dlala camp tournament, and we become champions also there with our under 13s.
Coach Zita, coach, Sentikuqhubekela phambili in the next stages of the junior championships. Coach, what can we expect from KMQ going forward to a tournament little bit qhubeka kanyamazane to knockout stages? What can one expect in terms of, say, a junior but in a KMQ which is very much vibrant, or what is happening, coach? What can the fans expect?
Yeah, my man, as I told you earlier on, you know football, and now when you reach the knockout stage, top 8, yeah, definitely you got best teams also there. Everyone is looking forward to reach the finals. Every coach, every youngster here is looking forward to reach the final. What I can promise our supporters, we will try our level best. As they know, every time when we go out, we try our best to make them happy, and we try our level best always, because everything it starts at training. It means now we go back to the drawing board, we double up our effort preparing for the top 8 at Kanyamazane Stadium, but we are ready for a task ahead as KMQ Academy.
Coach Zita, thank you very much for your time. KMQ Coach Academy, thank you very much, Coach.
I really appreciate your time, sir. You are doing a great job, guys. I wanna say this. I've been following you in your page also, and to me it's an honor today to do an interview with you. It means a lot. You are doing great for our community, guys. Keep pushing. God knows, one day, you know, my man, one day things will work out for you. But so far so good, my man. So far so good. I really appreciate both of you and the work that you are doing.
Coach Zita, it is by our love for the game, and also seeing the smiles on the faces, and also giving the exposure to the young ones, and also to the coaches of the local region and Mpumalanga as a whole, to say this is why we do it, and it is why we get inspired to continue doing the work. Coach Zita, thank you very much for the
I really
acknowledgement.
appreciate, my man.